Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study solving problem involving linear functions. And this is math with teacher Marife Adonis. Alright, before we go on, we're going to determine whether each is a linear function or not. Check yes if it is a linear function, and no if it is not. Write the degree of the function. For linear functions, identify the slope m and the y-intercept b. Okay, so we have here f of x is equals to 5x plus 1. So the degree is 1. And yes, it is a function. Okay, and the m is 5 and the b is 1, right? For the second, yes, it's a function and it's the degree is 1, uh, and yes, okay, and then the m is negative 6 and b is 8. Okay, so number 3 is no. Okay, so it has. Right, number 9, no. Yeah, it's a function. Number 6 is a function. Yes, it's in degree 1. Yes, and then the slope is 4, and then the y-intercept is negative 2. For we have here 3x plus 12. So this means this is the first degree, and it is a function, yes, and the slope is 3 and b is 12. Okay, now we have here negative x minus 5. Okay, this is first degree function, and then yes, it is, and the m is negative 1 and the b is negative 5. All right, so number 8, no. Number 9, it's actually quadratic, so no, 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 no. Okay, that's it. Let's continue. Now, what is a linear function? A linear functions are those algebraic functions which have a graphical figure of straight lines consisting of unique values on their slopes and the y-intercept. In other words, a linear function is an equation which is either a constant or a product of a constant whose highest power is 1. For instance, the perfect example of a linear function of linear equation is y is equals to mx plus b, while the equation is called slope-intercept form. This equation meets all the criteria of a linear function. Two variables in form of x and y, while also having two constants m and b. In the equation, you can also see that the highest power of the variables is 1. A series of worksheets and lesson. Now, how do we solve linear functions? A linear function is a function which with the form f of x is equals to ax plus b. It looks like a regular linear equation, but instead of using y, the linear function notation is f of x, spoken as f of x. To solve a linear function, you would be given the value of f of x and be asked to find the x. Let's go through the steps with the help of an example here. So we have given here f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Then solve for f of x is equals to 8. First, step 1, substitute the value of f of x into the problem. We have 8 is equals to 3x minus 1. So the x here, naging 8 na siya because the f of x is equals to 8. Then, step 2, isolate the variable. Add 1 to both sides to isolate the variable term by using the opposite operation to move the constant term across the equal sign. So since we have here 3x minus 1 plus 1, And then 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. And then we cancel this out. So we got 9 is equals to 3x. Now let's go to step number 3. Continue to isolate the variable. Divide 3 in both sides to isolate the variable itself. So we have 9 divided by 3 and 3x divided by 3. So we canceled out 3 here. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have x is equals to 3. Okay, so because this is a linear function, it is appropriate to format the final answer in function form. So for the function f of x is equals to 3x minus 1, f of 8 is equals to 8. Okay, so we have determined the value of the function of f if f of x is equals to 2x minus 1 at x is equals to negative 3, 0, and 2. Give their meanings an ordered pair. So first we're gonna solve f of x, which is a negative 3. Okay, so given the equation, or the f of x is equals to 2x minus 1, so we got negative 3 is equals to 2x minus 1. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 here, so to cancel 1, so we have negative 3 plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1. So that's addition property of equality. So this, let us cancel this, and negative 3 plus 1 is equals to negative 2 is equals to 2x divided by 2. Negative 1 is equals to x. So the value of x is negative 1. Now what about if your x is equals to 0? Okay, so we got 0 is equals to 2x minus 1. So that means we have 1 is equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1. So cancelled out here. We have 1 is equals to 2x divided by 2. Okay, that means your x is equals to 1/2, or that is 0.5. Okay, next. What about if x is equals to 2? The f of x is equals to 2. So we have f of x equals, then we have, sorry, we are now on 2, no? 2. Why 0 pa rin? Okay, here, we are here na. So we got here 2 is equals to 2x minus 1. So we're gonna add again 1 here. 2 plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so cancel out. We got 3 is equals to 2x divided by 2. X is equals to 3 halves. Okay, or 3 over 2. Okay. Okay, here determine the values of a f of x, b f1, and c f4 in each of the following functions. Okay, so for example, number 1 is f of x is equals to 2x. So that means you're gonna solve each of this given. So each number you have 3 answers, sort of. So we have, for example, we have, let's try f is this negative 3 is equals to 2x. So we have negative 3 is equals to 2x divided by 3, or negative 3. Oh, no. Dapat to ay 2. Wait. Okay. It is 2 2x equals negative 3. No, baliktad naman ako. Divided by 2. Okay. X is equal to negative 3 over 2 or 3 halves. Negative 3 halves. Okay. Now the first is only number 1. Now let's try f is equals to 1. Okay. So we have here 1 is equals to 2x divided by 2. Okay. Therefore x is equals to 1 half. Right. What about f of x is equals to 4? Now, so 4, we have 4 equals 2x divided by 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Well, that means we have the ordered pairs. The ordered pair of negative 3 is negative 1 half. Negative 3 halves. The other is 1 half and 2. Okay, so perhaps you can do it now on your own. So number 1 is just a bonus for all of you. And please, mabuti malapit na po ang periodic exam. So that's all for today. Love you guys.